Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. If you've been following my channel, I just want to show you real quick about the additions we did. We added the 2 covered pergolas. We made a lot of extra space out here. And our recent addition is this bar height fire pit table. Anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. Shouldn't be too long, so let's get with it. Okay, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm just doing an unboxing. I got an email a few days ago from a guy named Tom at Wine Country BBQ. He had watched my video on so many pellets. Which ones do you use? I did a review of about 4 different pellets, and he explained to me that they made pellets out of the white oak wine-soaked wood that winemakers put in their steel barrels when they're not using oak barrels to make the wine, to get the oak flavor in the wine. And my youngest son is actually a winemaker, and quite a while ago he sent me some of these. They're little spirals, and they that's what goes inside the stainless steel wine barrels to get the wood oak flavor. Let me get in here a little closer. See, they're like little spirals, and this is well soaked with wine. It's very red. Okay, so anyway, Tom offered or asked me if I'd like to try their wine pellets from these oak spirals that they put in the wine when they're making it. I'm like, obviously yes, I'd like to try another wood pellet, give it a try. So he sent me these. They came in like 2 days. The guy's amazing. So let's just open it up and see what we got here. Show you this box real quick so you can see that. And he actually, I thought maybe he'd send me a sample pack. He actually sent me a full 20-pound bag, and I'll put the website below if you want to order you some of these and give them a try. I'm going to give them a try. I'm going to do a video. It'll probably be out in about maybe 2 weeks. I'm getting kind of backed up with my videos. He sent a little letter here, so let me get my little cheaters on and let you know what it says. Okay, it says, it's long been a tradition in the California wine country to offer a special treat when barbecuing for family and friends. Many barbecuers in wine country will break up an old wine barrel and cook over the oak barrel's staves to give their cook a special flavor. With your wine-infused oak barbecue pellets, you and your friends can experience this flavor too. It says, if this is your first time using these pellets, please let me offer a few tips on how to get the most flavor out of them. One of the different things about cooking on these pellets, as they become an ingredient in the meal and not just a fuel to cook over. Because of this, I suggest cooking with them a bit differently than you might usually do. The general guidelines is 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and just use the basic salt, pepper, and garlic for seasoning. This has proven that these complementary seasonings bring out the wine flavors in the pellets. Okay, and Tom Reed is the CEO and founder of Wine Country BBQ, and I'm really looking forward to trying these pellets. I'm actually going to be doing a chuck roast with them, and that's actually all I was going to put on them is salt, pepper, garlic, SPG, because I want to taste the flavor of these wine-infused oak pellets. Okay, and that's it. Again, these wine-infused oak pellets are made from these spindles that are thrown in the stainless steel barrels of wine to keep that oak flavor. Thank you so much, Tom, for sending these to me. We'll get a video out shortly, and I can't wait. Anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to check back in a couple of weeks. I'm going to be using these pellets. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much, Tom, for sending these pellets. I can't wait to try them out, and keep an eye out for that video when I'm using these. I'm sure with this 20-pound bag, I'll be doing a few cooks with it anyway. And anyway, we'll see you in the next video.